Okay, this is my wife. That's my wife right there. That's my wife. This is a dead cicada bug. Very popular in Arkansas. See those nice big wings glistening right there? Big huge legs, big eyeballs, look at those things. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Now, watch my wife as I approach her with a cicada bug. Honey, it's a dead bug. It's a dead bug. Come on. Hey, it's not going to hurt you. He's dead. Look. Hey, dude, I think she's scared of me. Yeah? I think she is too. Go and scare her again. Okay, bye-bye, cicada bug. Life is going to be sick now, so have a good life. We're going to crush you. Don't crush me. How if I eat you? Hold on.
Oh, my God, Eric. I will vomit.
Okay, no.